What's up guys, so for those of you looking to buy a universal smart screen for your old car, a car that does not have it, or if it has it, it is not latest, like it does not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So there are multiple options there. This is one of them. This is made by PODOFO, a brand that specializes in smart cars but makes them in a more budget friendly way. So for example, this one, it has CarPlay, Android Auto, 1080p camera, reverse visibility, like I think there would be an option, if not camera included. Wireless, Bluetooth, in case your phone does not support Android Auto or CarPlay, you can still connect it with wireless. Automotive specification chip, like a good chip, and if my understanding is correct, this will have Android installed as well, so you can, with the Play Store, you will be able to install the apps as well. So let's check it out. It is, if I'm correct, this is its model number, by the way, by PODOFO, and I think it should be 10 inch. I'm not completely sure, but it is my understanding that it should be around 10 inch. On the top we have the screen with the stand already attached, and it does have a back camera on the back. What else do we have? Okay, we have this wiring for the back camera. We have this long cigarette lighter to Type-C cable. This is for GPS. We got, obviously it will support GPS, so why not? What is this for? This is aux cable. Finally, this is the reverse camera. So the camera is included, and then we have two double tapes here to install it on your dashboard, and some documentation. So since there were a lot of accessories, let me repeat those for you. We have documentation, two double tapes so that you can install it on your dashboard so it doesn't slip away. We have a reverse camera, back camera that you can install, an aux cable. This is GPS. This is where you will get cable from, like if you have old cars, you can use this cigarette lighter to Type-C. This is for back camera, and finally you have the 10-inch screen. Let's put everything aside and just focus on the screen itself. I will also connect the reverse camera so that you guys can actually see it in action. But first, let's see the screen, which is the main thing. This is 10 inch diagonally. Okay, should I attach it? Maybe not, so that I can show it to you. But here, this is, you can easily install this one. Let me actually show you in action. So this, you can change the direction of camera. Let's remove but this lens itself is really large, as you can see. Yeah, you can give it different angles, like see, and then using this you can screw it up, and it has speakers as well. But let me remove this one because I want to show you guys, so this will do just fine. There was one protector, there is another protector as well right here. It is nice of them to send it. Let me show you the ports. So we have Type-C port here, a headphone jack, or sorry, aux here, and then a SD card. This is for GPS. This is again aux, and USB port. Aux, USB port. Where is the camera port? AV. Sorry, this one was the camera port. My mistake. This one, and this one is aux cable. These are the ports. Let me give it some power so that you can see. Overall, the build quality seems really solid, like plastic. It feels really solid, does not feel cheap in any way. Okay, let me give it some power so that you guys can see. I'm giving it power with the power bank. Octa-core mirror Android. Let's remove this one as well. Now we have the actual screen. right off the bat, the screen itself looks really good quality. Don't mind the brightness because you are seeing it under studio lights. Once I will turn off the studio lights, the brightness is more than enough. I think it is as good as, for example, my Samsung phone. See, even with my Samsung phone at full brightness and see it side by side, you can see it has either the same or more brightness. So don't worry about the brightness. It's just the studio lights that may feel it that you don't have the good right brightness. You have the Google Store here. I haven't signed it in, so obviously it will not work. Some applications are already installed. Let's see the camera. This is the camera. Let me put something here that you guys can see the camera. I think it is. How does it do? Can I change some settings? I can insert the reverse camera as well. Before ending the video, I will show you how much megapixel this one is. It's okay for a dashboard, honestly. Bring in some colors. It is not focusing, somehow at least, not at close distance. Maybe, yeah, much better at longer distance, but it can't focus on at close distance. Let's clean it up a bit. It is not focusing. But on a longer distance as a dashboard, I'm looking at it and it looks good. Colors are good. Video quality is respectable, but nothing related to close-up. It does not handle close-up well. Okay, I do have some settings. Finish. I don't have the SD card, so that's also an issue here. Let's see, record time 1 minute. Then we have, bring it close to you, collision sensitivity lock, speed unit, lens height adjustment, rear view mirror. Then we have console, camera, horizontal frame. So there are a bunch of settings here that you can adjust. Then we have audio. It is asking me to insert the SD card, which I don't have, and let me insert the rear view camera as well, just so you can see that. It's very easy to install it, even you can do it. Let me show you. Connect these two parts. Just find the right direction there. Now insert it on this side. And what is going on? Why isn't it working? It's not detecting it for some reason. Weird. Okay, let's see. Let me turn off the studio lights as well so that you guys can see it in its full glory. Alright, you should be able to see it better now. Okay, where is the camera? And this is me. Let's flip its direction. This is my camera setup. I'm recording it, and this is me. You can see it. See? So this is the reverse camera. Reverse camera is also respectable. You can simply click it and you can see it on like split view, not split view, back camera. Now we have split view, front camera. So these were the cameras. Now let's talk about the settings themselves. We have navigation, file, and everything is installed here already out of the box. We have the Play Store. I don't have it signed in, but you can use it. Let me go and connect it to Wi-Fi. Then let's see if brightness is full brightness and other. We have volume, FM level. Let's see how do I adjust the Wi-Fi. Okay, if you long press it, you can connect it with the Wi-Fi. Let me connect it with my Wi-Fi. My camera is having a hard time focusing it, but it is connected. It should be better now. And if I come here, it will ask me to sign in. So screen resolution is 1080p, and it for this small screen the resolution is really good, honestly, like really good. So let's see, let me connect it with a CarPlay to show you. Here I have increased brightness iPhone. Let's connect it. Let's see if I go to Bluetooth, and I already see this CarPlay. Let me go there in the settings. Okay, it should show up here. Let's see. I think this is usually 4 zeros, so let's try that one. Okay, it connected. Let's see what is happening here. It is all asking me to like connect to CarPlay. Let's connect. It already detected the iPhone. So as soon as I connected it with Bluetooth and entered the tetra 0 code, my iPhone automatically detected the CarPlay mode and it has connected it. Alright, so I have taken some time to learn more about it, read its settings and everything. Right now it is in CarPlay mode. as you can see. It loads up control music, map from the left. You also see the iMessage and music icons here. You can go to settings and change the wallpaper and other things here. So settings, messages, all the things are here, and if you want to exit you can go here or come back. So it is not something like you need to stay here. It's more like this is an option that you have. So you have CarPlay connected, attend calls, make calls, and if we go back, I think if you long press this home icon, it should bring up Siri. Hey, how are you doing? Hi there. See, so you can talk to your assistant and ask it to make calls. So let's go back to home through the exit. I want to show you some other settings. So you have audio output. In this you can actually select, like right now it is in Bluetooth projection mode, like you can connect phone with it and play sound. This Bluetooth projection, actually sorry, Bluetooth projection mode is in which your phone is interacting with the screen. Then you have the Bluetooth transmission mode in which you want to send the music to it. So okay, go back, where did it go? So the different audio modes, right now it is selected in native audio. You can also change it to aux mode or FM audio. Aux mode is in which you want to transfer the audio of this screen directly to the speakers of your car. So for that you will use aux mode. FM mode is also for audio output, in which you will transmit the audio through FM signal to your car. This is very funky one, like you have to set the channel or frequency of FM of your car to the same one as you will set in here, and then they will start working together. You have the Bluetooth transmission mode and Bluetooth projection. I am a little bit confused, but one of them means that you are using your phone to actually why does it keep connecting again? You will use your phone to actually, where does it go? So one is in which this one will connect with the speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Another is in which your phone will connect with the Bluetooth speaker. So these are the output modes. If you come back here, you can actually long press this settings icon and it will bring up settings. So you have network settings, apps, notifications, storage. It has I think 64 GB built in. So right now it has 53 GB free. Then you have Google services, systems, about this device, all those things are here. One thing that I wasn't able to find is where are the brightness settings. You can reset your device if you want to. I think there should be a software update option as well. It has a 4 GB of RAM. Android version 13 is installed here, which is quite latest actually, not that bad. And all these settings are here. One thing that I want to, if you single press it, brings in short settings. You have screen control. What is this dimming? You can increase or this is the brightness that I was looking for. So you have the brightness here, full brightness. Then you have the day, night, or auto mode, or just, so if you set it to auto, day it turns it to maximum, night it turns it down. If you do it auto, like right now it knows that it is night, so it has some kind of sensor or setting that based on time it knows what is going on. Let's go with the day right now. You have the FM volume and adjust volume, all those settings are here as well if you want to, the volume to maximum. So this was it. Mirror link is here in case you want to mirror using the mirror link your phone to this screen. That option is here. You have file manager if you want to go through videos or anything. For example, you can insert USB drive here and play movies or music from here. Navigation, I will maps. This is the app list. Here you have all list of all the apps. If you will install more probably it will start scrolling. Audio output, Rumble, Spotify, those are already here. TikTok is here, YouTube is here, Google Play. And if you go to settings, you can also go to settings here. Okay, what else can, this is for music control, FM. You can play videos from here. Oh, what, it is YouTube. Right now it is in CarPlay mode, so it will not work, but you can actually, so I thought that this was a video playing application. It is loading YouTube. Okay, what else can I show you? I think that's it. Like you install apps on it, use Android Auto, CarPlay, mirror link, file manager, navigation, app list is here, and install apps using the Google Play Store. I showed you the CarPlay so that you can use it with the CarPlay if you like to, and I mean all those options are here. You can switch between CarPlay and Android Auto from right here as well. If you guys don't read the documentation, when you connect it with Android Auto or CarPlay, it will ask you for a code which is 0000, so 4 times 0. Enter that and it will connect. And that's it. Yeah, that's it, man. This was the PODOFO version with the built-in dash cam and then a reverse camera as well. Some 10.26 inch 1080p high resolution screen. All good here. So let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.